we were talking in the B101 about the digital and BIM Revit world, and not surprisingly, it gets referenced again in the A201.
Correct, and the beauty of the AAA documents is this consistency of language and terminology, so everybody's on the same page. And you'll see down here, you have that same thing, relying on parties' sole risk and without liability to the other party. If you deviate from the protocols, then you're going to have to take it on your own self. So this is almost exactly word for the language you found in the B101. Let's keep it all consistent. So that's one of the reasons why I put this in, to show the consistency between the documents.
And that's partly because the GC, the contractor, isn't necessarily reading the B101, right?
He is not.
Like the B101 is between the owner and the architect,
right?
But there are implications when you sign any of these documents, and it shows up here in the A201, that have the GC has role to play in that understanding, and,
correct,
and how BIM is used, how the sustainability project works, all of that.
The interesting thing is, and you're exactly right, the contractor doesn't get the B101. They know the model, but they don't know what the revisions are or anything else. In the B101, it requires the owner to give any revised or revisions of the owner-contractor agreement to the architect.
So the architect should see the A101
and they do get it
as it comes through.
Yep.